Hey guys, it's Sean from Next Round Design. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add your logo or text to the custom card display stand model available in my Etsy shop. Once you add it, the logo slides right in the front of the display stand, so you can mix and match whatever color combinations you want. For just $5, you can print as many as you like. Let's get into the tutorial. Once you load up the model, switch to the bottom view and select the connector. Then head over to the toolbar and select the text tool. Rotate the text so it appears along the connector, and enter in your username or brand name. Adjust the font size, and style to your liking. I found that 3mm thickness works best to make sure the text is readable, but you can test whatever thickness works best for your model. Make sure the mode is set to not surround. Then center your text and click return to exit the text tool. After you add text, select the connector and use the place on face tool to place the model on the face of the text. Then use the paint tool to change the color of your text. I recommend using contrasting colors to make the text stand out. Depending on your text, you may need to adjust the support/object first layer gap to ensure supports don't stick to the text. For my model, a gap distance of 0.5mm works, but you can adjust this based on your model and your printer. After checking that everything looks good and you can print your model, I recommend printing multiple connectors at the same time to save filament during purges. If you have a model of a logo that you want to use instead, you can add that model to the project. If your model is too big or small, use the scale tool to fit the logo within the side boundaries of the connector and adjust the Z-axis scale to 3mm. Then hold Control and select both models, right-click and select Merge. This allows you to stack the models on top of each other. On the left-hand side, select the logo model, switch to bottom view, center the logo on the connector, and rotate the logo so that the main image runs parallel to the connector. Back on the left-hand side, select the connector, select the Move tool to raise the Z position of the connector 3mm. For example, my connector was at 0.48mm, so I raised it to 3.48mm. Slice the plate, double check that the connector is sitting directly on the logo, and then print. Make sure you check out my Maker World for some free models and my Etsy shop for unique 3D prints designed by me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and thanks for watching Next Round Design.